Okay, so hi dear Gemini, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal, health, career, and finances reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of Feb 2026. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so I'm not a career counselor, I'm not a medical practitioner, I am not a financial advisor. I am just reading the card for you guys. Do not make any kind of life changing decisions based on these readings. Please take care of that thing. Okay, because it's your free will, you can do whatever you want, but refrain from doing these things. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Gemini, let's see for your health what we have for this month. We have the Seven of Swords. You guys will be pretending to be fine even if you guys are not going to be fine. Okay, I do see you having some kind of health issue, but you're continuously ignoring it, continuously telling yourself that it's nothing and it's fine, it happens, and all that shit. I think you should not be doing that. It's like being deceptive with your own health. Wow. Guidance here is a strength card. It is going to take you a lot of strength and courage to accept that something is wrong, something is not working out anymore in your health situation. This ignoring part, especially this being dishonest with yourself, is not actually working out, it's going against you. But once you guys will be able to accept that there is some kind of issue happening that I should take medical advice for, or I should take seriously, you guys will be able to figure out the solution as well. It can be as simple as a headache, but if it is a continuous headache, it's happening every day. I used to had migraines, and I used to like ignore it completely, continuously. And then when I realized that I can't ignore it anymore, when I accepted it, I went to the doctor. We figured out something, and I took the medications for a few months, and I'm okay now. So instead of ignoring the red flags regarding your health, instead of being in this energy of, oh, everything is fine, I'm good to go, be courageous enough to understand, to accept that there is something that's going out of control and you should be taking care of it instead of going against your own health. Okay, my love. Let's see for those of you who are working for others or doing job, how it is going to be for you guys for this month. Gemini. Six of Pentacles. It's going to be a little bit of imbalanced, but you guys will be able to manage it. Okay, it's like you guys will be working too hard, and you will not be able to get the results of your hard work as per your requirements, as per your desire, or as per what you deserve. But eventually, you guys will be able to figure it out. You guys will be able to manage the imbalance somehow. For some of you, it's going to be a decision that you guys are planning to take, whether you should continue this job or you should go for another one. You guys right now are a little bit confused about it, but eventually you guys will be able to figure it out. Okay, a little bit of imbalanced kind of energy, maybe because of your health too. That is also a factor here. But whatever it is that you guys are not able to figure out right now, you guys will be able to eventually. Let's see the guidance here for this. The Wheel of Fortune. Okay, if it is something that is going to be okay with the time, then I think you should give it some time before making any kind of life changing decisions or life changing uh, yep, choices when it comes to your career. Take some time, let this unstable energy settle down, and then you can make the choices or decision. Give yourself 10-12 days before you are going to make any kind of bold choices or decisions here, right? Let these unstable energies settle down, and then when you are going to be stable enough, emotionally and mentally, then you guys can move forward and make that choice or decision of yours. Okay, my love. Cool. Let's see for those of you who are doing business or having their self-employment kind of thing. Same thing, right? Let's see for you guys, honey. Nine of Cups. Okay. You guys are going to get some kind of wish fulfillment here, some kind of reason to celebration, something that you were wishing for or hoping for is going to be finally there. It's going to be a good news for you guys, and you guys are going to enjoy a lot when it comes to your business or self employment thing, because things will start aligning with your path, with your goals, and you are going to get some kind of major what we call that, major client base, global recognition, or a lot of orders, whatever it is, especially if you guys are in some kind of jewelry business or business where women are targeted, and that kind of audience, gold or something related to gold, brass, steel, brass, and containers. Okay, whatever it is, you guys are going to feel very, very happy and aligned with your business thing, and you guys are going to enjoy the success. Awesome. Three of Wands as the guidance here. If you guys are planning to make this business thing of yours to go global or to expand it, it will happen, but it is going to take time, right? Keep on moving forward. Don't go back again and again and again and see what mistakes you made and you did that or you did that. Instead of being in this energy of focus on the negatives, focus on the positives and keep moving forward. Okay, the growth and expansion that you guys are looking forward to have, it's going to take you approximately 3 years to reach there, like the full potential or something, 2.5 to 3 years. But keep moving forward, do not look back, because this business thing of yours is having a potential to actually expand into something really meaningful in the coming future. So do not give up, keep going on, discipline and consistency, and don't forget to celebrate the small victories also. Okay, that is going to help the universe to give you more reasons to celebrate. Awesome energy. Let's say for those of you who are job seekers or planning to start or restart their business thing again, for those people, let's see. Page of Wands. Okay, I think you guys will be able to get some kind of opportunity, and you guys are going to feel very excited about it. It's going to be something very small, but you guys are going to see the potential in that thing. You guys are going to feel excited. You guys are going to feel like I can make it work out for myself, because this is something that's aligned with my heart and soul, and let's do it. Yeah. So you guys are going to get an opportunity that is not going to be a very huge one right now, but that has the potential to become something really big if you guys are going to take it forward and work on it seriously. Awesome. Guidance here is the Four of Cups. Okay, at first maybe this opportunity is not going to make you feel that much excited, because you're waiting for some kind of bigger opportunities, you are waiting for some kind of specific opportunity and or some kind of bigger opportunity. But eventually you guys will be able to realize that you can make this a big opportunity for yourself, whatever it is. So instead of plainly saying no to an opportunity that's going to be there for you, try to understand if you can make that thing work out in your favor, if that can be a milestone for you, a stepping stone for you towards the long term goal that you guys are planning to work on. Hmm? So this opportunity can actually be helpful for you to reach where you want to reach. But if you are going to plainly say no, or you are going to plainly show disinterest, I think you're like it's going to become a missed opportunity very, very soon. Take care of it. If you guys are feeling like, nah, this is not something, not at all, then of course you can skip it and you should never look back or something. It's completely up to you. But there's a situation that has the potential to help you to come closer to the goal of yours that you are hoping for. Okay, once you are going to start doing it, you are going to feel excited and all happy about it. That's what's happening. Let's see for your finances what we have, Gemini, for this month. Knight of Cups. Okay, this is a good news for you guys. Especially if you guys have invested in something long term, you guys will be able to get the returns of your investments, and it's going to make you feel very happy. For those of you who are planning for retirement funds or something like that, you guys will be able to start it, or you guys will be able to get the proper understanding of what you should be doing in order to achieve the goal of yours. It's going to be a good news because you guys are going to feel very very content and at peace. Something is going to give you the good kind of returns, good kind of vibes and energies. Your financial status is going to improve this month in some way, shape or form, and you guys are going to feel very content and positive and happy about it. Whether it's long term investments giving you returns, or you will be able to make some kind of savings or investments, whatever it is improvement, and it's going to make you feel freaking happy, freaking amazing. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for this month, Gemini. Four of Swords. Okay, just if things are not going to happen as quickly, as fastly as you want them to happen when it comes to a financial area, just relax and let things be, and it will eventually happen. The more you are going to be restless and more at in this energy of I want this to happen right now, I want it right now, I want it right now, the more it's going to be difficult for you to let the money flow be positive the way it should in your life. So just relax, let the process happen, and do not mix restlessness or this anxious state of mind of energies in this mix, because it's already happening. You will get it, maybe not immediately but eventually. Okay, so relax, focus on the good vibes, good energies, and let things be. Sometimes the best thing that we can do for ourselves as humans is to let things be, just witness, actually most of the times. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.